As your business grows, your sales cycle becomes more complex. You might feel overwhelmed by untracked inquiries, delayed dispatches, or manual invoicing errors that hurt your bottom line. AVEEROS Sales and Distribution Management System brings order to your revenue engine. You gain a high-visibility cockpit to manage everything from initial inquiry to final dispatch, ensuring no lead is ever left behind. You gain total control over your customer relationships. Track credit limits, historical sales, and lead status in real time. You can now validate every order against live stock and credit policies instantly. Your dispatch becomes a competitive advantage. You gain the power to schedule deliveries based on priority and machine available capacity. Generate delivery notes and manage returns with a single click. You close the gap between delivery and payment. You benefit from automated AR invoicing that posts directly to your financials. You see your true profitability, batch by batch and customer by customer. Whether you start standalone or integrate with the full AVEEROS ecosystem, you get a secure, API-first platform that grows with your enterprise. Ready to transform your sales operations? Visit www.aveeros.com to book your demo. AVEEROS, smart sales for smarter business.